Recording in progress.
好啦，各位 P5 嘅同學大家好，我哋又翻嚟重點筆記嘅時候啦 ，OK， 好，照舊今堂依然會有認字環節，但係我唔使成篇文咁樣去俾你睇啦，但係記住幫我1至6，你一定要記翻住佢啊。其實 Jerry Portis 咧係我哋 P4 嘅生字嚟嘅，所以 OK， 你都係要慢慢去學翻識多啲字嘅，要記翻住佢嘅，得唔得？特別係呢個星期咧，你哋會有好多考試啊 ，OK， 慢慢梁求居啊，同埋五面端啊都開始有英文考試啦，咁所以唔該把握最後機會同我一齊好好做翻呢個練習 ，OK？ 好，我哋而家一齊睇翻落去呢一度啦。好，講咗好多次嘅，如果你一見到呢一種類型嘅問題，你要先幫我分辨啲咩呢？邊一啲你係會見到係 PP 式，而邊一啲你係會見到過去式嘅，得唔得先 ？OK？ 咁其實喺呢度我哋睇得好清楚啦，因為我只係得2個嘅啫嘛。呢2個我哋係會見到過去式嘅時候用。得唔得 ？OK， 如果你細心啲睇今日呢篇文章咧，其實咧我哋係講緊 Emily Wong 啊。Emily Wong 其實係邊一個嚟㗎？有冇人知道 ？Fencing 喎，我哋上堂有教過，學校應該都有教過嘅。Fencing 其實係乜嘢咧？係劍擊啊，得唔得？之前喺巴黎奧運會嘅時候咧，香港得到2個金牌，就係因為呢一度啦。OK， 好啦，咁我哋一齊睇翻先咯喎。而家佢就話：喂，我哋一齊去見下 Emily Wong，Hong Kong 嘅 Rising Star，OK， 新起嘅一個明星咁樣嘅嘢啊。好啦，咁跟住啦，佢話 Emily Wong 唔知乜嘢 amaze audience， 咦，佢係令到啲觀眾好驚嘆啊嘛。喂，其實係一個已經發生咗嘅事，所以我哋呢度一定係用 already 噶啦，得唔得？因為人哋話佢係一個 Rising Star，OK， 而第二樣嘢佢就話喎：咦 ，she started， 咦，我見到叮一叮先過去式喎。係咪？咁即係我得2個選擇啦 ，in 或者 ago。咁呢度我哋梗係用 ago 啦，因為前面係時間啊嘛，得唔得 ？OK， 所以呢啲位我哋就要小心啲啫，得唔得？跟住再落去啦 ，Emily 唔知乜嘢 return 喎。嗱，呢度有2個俾你選擇，你中意用 just 又得 ，already 都得。OK， 你話佢啱啱翻嚟又好啦，或者你同我講話啊，唔係啊，其實佢已經翻咗嚟好耐噶咯喎 ，Miss Lee， 我哋唔可以話佢 just， 所以我2個都俾分嘅。得唔得 ？OK， 咁跟住啦，佢就話啦，咦嗱，你見到第4題 Miss Lee 打咗粒星星㗎。老實呢個係挑戰題嚟嘅，因為點解啊？個答案我冇擺咗喺選擇度俾你㗎。其實呢一度而家就話啦，it is one of her most significant achievement。佢話其實呢一個咧係佢其中之一，一個好重大嘅成就啊。Achievement 係解成就 ，significance 係解重大的。得唔得？係一個佢好重大嘅成就啦，咁所以我哋繼續落去呢一度應該要寫 so far， 直到目前為止啊。OK， 好，咁跟住啦，咦，我見到 has trained， 咁 PP 啦。好，咁而家佢就話啦，喂，其實佢訓練得好努力，好辛苦㗎，乜嘢 many years？ 咦，咁我梗係落課啦，持續咗好多年啊，唔係自從好多年啊。咁跟住啦，再落去 Emily has practiced， 又係繼續用緊 PP 式，咁所以呢一度我哋就會用 since。OK， 而家佢話喎 Emily 咧，其實咧一直咧會喺一個本地嘅運動中心度練習嘅。Since early in the morning， 得唔得？喺每日朝頭早好早嘅時候開始，佢就要練習㗎啦。OK，her dedication and disciplines， 而家就講緊喂佢嘅堅毅程度同埋佢嘅紀律咧 have paid off。OK， 有回報啊。Her coach has already prized。而家佢就話喂，其實佢教練一直都有讚賞緊佢嘅improvement， 佢嘅進步啊。OK。然之後佢話我 she has missed a training sessions， 咁你諗下啦，佢教練都讚佢喎，讚到佢天上有地下無，咁你覺得佢會唔會錯過咗或者唔去練習啊？唔會啦，咁所以係 she has never missed a training sessions even when she feels tired， 就算佢好攰，佢都會繼續堅持落去嘅。佢問題中間嘅時候，我哋講過好多次，我哋只會用乜嘢？冇錯 ，ever。Have you ever watched Emily compete？ 佢就問我：喂，其實你有冇睇過 Emily 咧去比賽㗎 ？OK， 咁跟住最後呢一個位，你一見到呢度其實都唔需要諗得多啦。She hasn't decided on the next event。其實佢未決定佢下一步或者佢下一個活動想去做啲乜嘢㗎。Yet，OK？咁所以呢一度咧，其實 PP 室我哋應該做到悶㗎啦，做到嘔㗎啦，因為我哋已經上堂啦，同埋我出練習嘅時候，我哋都做咗好多呢一啲㗎啦。OK， 咁跟住我哋再落翻去啦，就會直接落到去 reading 上面。 OK， 我講過嘅，因為考試期間我真係會出多啲 reading 嘅，得唔得？因為我哋本身學嘅 grammar 我哋學晒㗎啦。其實如果你話夠唔夠熟，我哋都相信你夠熟㗎啦，得唔得？咁所以而家唯獨就係我想再操多啲大家嘅 reading。第一樣嘢 why 嘅題目啦，而家我問緊你 offer 呢個字點解咧？作者啊，如果你唔識嘅話，再幫我圈翻起 in a hurry。而家我問喎，喂 why was the author in a hurry to get home last Friday？ 點解佢嗰日咁匆忙啊？OK， 咁我哋一齊睇翻先喎。Last Friday， 跟住又話 in a hurry。第一題我送分俾你嘅，你自己睇下係咪已經送埋個 because 啊？咁樣就話喎 I was in a hurry because I wanted to get home quickly to watch my favourite TV show。OK， 咁我唔知你哋會唔會都係咁樣啦。而家有時一落堂你已經準備好晒、執好晒嘢㗎啦。OK， 唔知係咪都係想翻去煲劇或者係打機？咁所以直接幫我寫翻低就 OK 啦。OK，because 唯獨一樣嘢。幫我打星星，唔可以抄 I 啊、me 啊、you 啊嗰啲字啊，得唔得？因為唔關我事噶嘛 ，Miss Lee 喺咪入面，或者你喺咪入面，我哋都唔喺入面嘅時候，我哋就唔可以寫翻呢啲主角，得唔得？我要轉翻去 the author。wanted 出咩？因為佢想睇 TV show，OK， 跟住再落去啦。而家我問緊喎 ，Why did the author do when he saw the train approaching？ 乜嘢叫做 approaching 咧？其實講緊佢接近緊啊，即係譬如嗱，我哋應該最貼合我嘅生活嘅話，咁我應該最多就係講緊搭輕鐵嘅時候。咁佢就話喂，個輕鐵埋站嘅時候，究竟個 author 做咗啲乜嘢？我哋一齊睇下啦。咦，揾翻先，係咪喺呢一度啊？下面。得唔得？所以其實點解我成日同你講話，你一定要去間句子。我會唔會仲傻更更做到第二題？我由頭睇起啊？其實我唔會㗎。譬如我本身第一題喺度揾，我會繼續順住落去睇。一嚟我慳時間，二嚟我成個故事係咪順住落去？咁你咪冇咁亂咯？明唔明白我講咩？咁而家佢就話啦，喂，當我到達咗個平台啊，呢一度可以解月台啦，你幫我寫翻。OK， 而家佢話啦 ，As I reached the platform, I saw my train approaching。咁佢就話啦，我見到咧，我嗰個地鐵咧而家就過緊嚟啦。I knew I had to act fast。佢就話啦，其實我知道咧，我自己要快啲行動嘅。點解啊？好啦，the door opened and people started getting off。幫我圈低 getting off 落車嘅意思啊，得唔得？到門一開，啲人開始落車。I noticed。佢話我發現咗一個 gap 啊，空隙嘅意思啦。咁而家佢話啦 ，I noticed a gap in the crowd， 喺個人群入面好似有一條罅喎 ，OK。Then I decided to run for it， 得唔得？佢決定走入去啦 ，OK。I dashed forward and trying to squeeze through before the doors closed。所以我只係問你佢做咗啲乜嘢嘅時候 ，the door open 關唔關我事啊？唔關我事，都唔係我令到道門開噶嘛。啲人落車關唔關我事？唔關我事。我發現咗一條 gap 係咪我做嘅行動？亦都並不是。所以你咁樣溝叉落去嘅話，你只會去到呢一度。I dash forward， 我衝上前啊，決定去擠入去啊。OK， 喺道門閂之前，所以我做嘅動作只係得一樣，我衝上前，跟住再諗住擠翻入去。OK， 咁所以幫我寫翻低啦。The author dashed it forward and tried。見唔見到我轉咗咩 tense？ 嗱，本身文章係用緊 ing form 嘅，但係我建議你哋，我本身問題既然用緊過去式文，唔該幫我轉翻做過去式嘅。OK，tried to squeeze in。OK， 好，跟住啦，再落去啦。squeeze through before the door closed。得唔得？跟住好，下面而家我問你發生咩事，記唔記得我成日都講啦？我話如果個問題係問緊 what happened， 發生咗什麼事 ？happen 呢個字只係解發生咋，你係唔需要抄翻問題嘅結構。Q 係解問題啊，得唔得？直接抄文章嘅句子啦。 再一次提醒大家啊，如果你覺得哇，Miss 你寫得太快，完全跟唔上喎，你題接題咁樣唔同上堂咁樣，你會俾啲時間我哋抄翻喎。YouTube 嚟㗎呢個，可以停一停咗佢㗎 ，OK？咁你一齊睇啦，而家佢話啦 ，What happened to the offer？ 而家佢話喎，其實咧對於作者嚟講發生咗咩事？當佢諗住嘗試上車嘅時候，咩叫做 board the train？ 其實唔係講緊我即係 board 嗰個 train 啊，我係講緊上車啫 ，OK？ 咁我哋一齊睇下啦。上翻去咯喎，揾翻一樣嘢攞嗱。本身我話我諗住上車嘅時候，咁 suppose 係喺呢一度噶嘛 ，OK？ 咁因為就話啦 ，suddenly my foot slipped。喂，其實佢突然間滑咗一滑喎，喂，好危險啊 ，OK？I nearly fell between the train and the platform。好，我想考下大家先，記唔記得其實本身喺架車嗱，冇取笑我啊，嗱，我當呢個係啦，咁跟住佢會有呢個噶嘛，咁跟住我當呢個係 platform 啦，咁有啲人喺度啦。其實我哋 suppose 中間有一條罅噶嘛。係咪？咁而家佢話喎 I nearly fell， 佢就話我差唔多爭啲啲就跌咗落去邊度咧？跌咗落去呢一度啊！My heart raced， 佢就話啦，哇！我個心跳得勁快 ，and I grabbed the handrails。而家佢即刻捉住咗個扶手 just in time， 好彩及時捉得住咋。OK，I can't lady standing nearly help me regain my balance。咁而家佢話：哎呀，好彩有個好好嘅女人喺度咋，企咗喺我附近嘅，幫咗我去重獲翻我嘅平衡啊！得唔得？重獲翻我嘅平衡。She looked at me with concern， 佢就即刻皺住眉頭咁樣，好似我平時咁樣啦。OK， 好擔心咁樣，跟住就問：你要小心啲嘅年輕人。OK，it's better to wait for the next train than getting hurt， 得唔得？而家佢就話啦，喂，你下次唔好咁樣啦，好危險啊！你梗係寧願等下一架列車啦，都好過你受傷啊，得唔得？咁所以而家佢問你發生咗咩事啊嘛，咁你唯一一樣嘢你就係要幫我寫翻，佢隻腳滑一滑親 and nearly fell between the train and the platform， 得唔得？爭啲跌咗入去嗰條罅度，咁所以幫我寫翻低啦。His 或者 her 啊，唔好啦，我哋簡單啲啦。我哋可以寫 the author 嘅 foot 係咪我寫？係啦，佢嘅 foot slipped， 滑一滑親 and nearly fell between the train and the platform。OK， 好危險啊！我唔知大家有冇試過，我係冇嘅，因為我係唔會追車嘅。因為我都覺得好危險嘅呢件事情係得唔得 ？OK， 咁跟住我哋再落去啦，第4題啦。我問你喂邊一個幫佢？喂，咁呢個好簡單啦，唔使諗啦，幫我寫翻低 the kind lady 啦 ，standing near。OK， 係一個企得好近佢嘅一個好善良嘅女人啦。咁跟住啦，第5題，佢話啦啊 ，How did the author feel after the incident？ 喺呢一個咁樣嘅事件之後 ，OK， 究竟佢嘅感受係點 ？And what promise did he make？ 而佢作出咗啲乜嘢承諾啊 ？To himself， 對於佢自己 himself 應該好熟悉㗎，我哋教咗好耐㗎啦都。好啦，一齊揾翻啦，究竟佢心情係點咧？喂，第一樣嘢多謝佢 ，and then nodded 係點解咧？即係譬如啦，有時你哋上堂我都會留意到嘅，有啲同學唔出聲嘅，但係佢係咪代表佢冇上過堂？唔係㗎，其實佢會一直點頭，佢聽到嘅。OK， 有啲嘢為佢明白嘅，佢叮一聲嘅話，其實佢就會點頭咯。所以呢個 nodded 就係解點頭啫。得唔得？我多謝佢同埋點頭 ，feeling both embarrassed and relieved。第一樣嘢佢覺得好尷尬啊，而第二樣嘢發生咩事佢都覺得喂鬆咗一口氣啊。得唔得？咁所以有呢兩樣嘢啦。第一，佢嘅感受喺呢兩個位啦 ，feeling both embarrassed and relieved。咁跟住再落去，佢就話啦 ，I realized how lucky I was to be。喂，邊度有講到 promise 喺呢一度？換言之，其實我送晒俾你哋㗎啦，得唔得 ？I promise myself to never rush。rush 係解乜嘢咧？去衝啊，得唔得 ？Like that again， 真係唔好啊，好危險啊！所以幫我寫翻低落呢一度 ，the author felt embarrassed and and relief。He promised never to兩個嘅 answer 喺晒度啊！第一個作者好尷尬，同時間都鬆一口氣，因為佢以為真係自己會跌咗落去啊嘛，得唔得？第二樣嘢佢就話應承咗自己唔會再咁樣去 rush 落去啊，得唔得？跟住嗱，再落去啦，而家我問緊你，喂 ，The author 想啲讀者啊睇呢一篇文章嘅人去學習到乜嘢嘅 lessons， 得唔得？OK， 好啦，我哋一齊睇啦。佢想學習到咩啊？佢話啦 ，I hope my stories， 我希望我嘅故事提醒到大家。Remind everyone， 記住 everyone 係解每個人啦，唔準同我成日講所有人啊。咁樣你就會用錯動詞㗎啦。Everyone 係只會配 is， 唔可以 are 嘅，得唔得？我會當佢 singular 咁樣用嘅。I hope my story reminds everyone to be patient and cautious。好，而家佢話啦，我希望大家都會有耐性啦，同埋係好謹慎嘅。好小心嘅 ，OK，especially in crowded place like the MTR。OK，safety should always come first。所以其實佢想大家學習到啲咩 ？To be patient and cautious and safety should always come first。佢話其實安全應該係大家嘅第一位啊。所以換言之，你而家知道喎，原來咧，如果我話一樣嘢 come first。佢係過嚟第一下嘅話，其實我嘅意思就係想講佢係第一位嘅，得唔得 ？OK。The author wants readers to be patient and cautious and know that safety should always come first。 OK， 就係咁樣嘅意思啦，得唔得？好，咁呢度我哋今日嘅 reading 完咗。呢個難又唔係難，但係有啲位我係真係出得難啲嘅，因為其實我覺得今日出 reading 係出簡單咗嘅，得唔得？所以喺問題上面落嘅陷阱就會多翻少少啦。同埋第二樣嘢，如果你有啲寫漏嘅話，其實就唔一定可以攞滿分嘅，知唔知道 ？OK， 咁我都建議大家攞翻過嚟俾我睇下，睇下而家大概啲 reading 會做成點，得唔得 ？OK， 都係嗰句歡迎翻嚟，俾翻我睇，跟住攞翻個小獎品。OK， 好辛苦晒各位小吳啦都。